I see English blackberries.
Lisa's over there picking some blackberries.
They're pretty yummy.
They're bloody awesome. So these are our new nemesis while we're in the UK, because the bikes just don't fit. Don't know how many that ones are actually.
It's a tricky one. Hopefully there's not too many of these. Bingo.
Just on a nice little bikeway heading towards Slough at the moment. So we're finally out of all the really bad traffic. And it's lovely. And it's lovely.
Oh, this is pretty.
He found himself a little waterway.
So we've just come over the bridge and we saw Windsor Castle in the distance. So we've been directed over this bridge and apparently we'll come out right up close near Windsor Castle. So we'll see how close we can get.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Wow. Look at all these British flags. That's cool. I'm not sure if the flags are out for some special occasion or they're always out.
There's the top of Windsor Castle there. We went a bit close, so you can't really see much. This is probably the best shot, unless you're away a bit. These things are a bugger. Oh, check out that place. Yep. How cool is that? And it's got its own tunnel. Today's kicked our ass. 46 k's done. I think we've still got like 20 k's to do. It's 3:20 and we are absolutely fucked. So out of condition, and I think we're carrying way too much gear, so we have a massive culling happening in the future. So it's not even hilly, it's just the bikes are heavy and we're not fit. But this is freaking amazing, And it's the first day of our world cycling trip. I kind of expected it to be hard. Let's just keep on going. It'll get easier.